Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about one more healthy habit that we should include in our daily diet, especially as first thing in the morning. So in today's video, I am going to talk about what are the health benefits of eating black raisins, what is the correct method of eating black raisins, can diabetic people eat black raisins or people who want to lose weight, and lastly, I'm going to talk about why black raisins over green raisins. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to it by clicking on the red button which is down below for getting videos about a good life and healthy food. Basically, raisins are dried grapes. The grapes which we get in the winter season or in the monsoon season, these are dried up and is available all year round in the form of raisins or dried grapes. And it's a super healthy habit to soak 6 raisins in the night, and you consume 6 soaked raisins on empty stomach every morning. Now basically I'll talk about what are the benefits of eating these soaked black raisins. The number one benefit of eating black raisins is that it acts as a natural laxative, as it contains a good amount of soluble fiber, which makes the bowel movement easy and the stool is passed easily in the morning. Basically, it helps you relieve constipation in a right manner. It will not cause you diarrhea, but it will make you pass the stool very easily. And the second reason for including black raisin in the diet is that it prevents anemia. It contains a good amount of iron and copper. Both of them are responsible for increasing the red blood cell count in our blood, and the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood is also increased. So basically it helps in raising our hemoglobin level. So all those people who are suffering from anemia must include black raisins in their daily diet. Whenever we are having a craving of having anything sweet, then black raisins comes very handy in that. We'll get the energy, it will beat the sugar craving, and we will not get much of the extra calorie. And the third good reason for this super healthy habit is that it makes our bones strong and prevents osteoporosis. Black raisins basically contains calcium and a trace element boron. And boron and calcium combination makes our bones strong and prevents osteoporosis. So having black raisins is very good for your bones. It is especially good for senior people, as after 40, 50 or basically women after menopause have a lot of calcium deficiency. So it will help you combat the calcium deficiency and will relieve you naturally of your bone pains. And the fifth reason is that if you have black raisins empty stomach for a month, then it will release you of the pain which you have during periods. Yes, believe me, all those women who have painful periods will get a ease if they eat black raisins for the entire month. I have tried it myself and it really relieves the pain during the menstrual cycle. You also try and do let me know in the comment section, was this helpful? We people eat a lot of excess salt in the form of chips or in the form of curries, and basically due to excessive salt, there is a rise in people who are having high blood pressure. So having black raisins daily will surely help you regulate blood pressure, as it contains a good amount of potassium. And lastly, the most beautiful reason for having that, it is great for your skin. It will help you reduce wrinkles, have a glowing skin, having healthy hairs. If you are facing any problem of hair loss or your hairs are becoming brittle, losing their shine, then it's a good reason to include black raisins in your diet. Basically, raisins contains a lot of antioxidants which makes our skin and hair healthy. Apart from making skin and hair healthy, it also prevents cancer and boosts up your immunity and is very good for your eyes. So there are a lot of good reasons for doing just one small thing in the night, that you soak black raisins every night, and when you wake up in the morning, then you eat these soaked black raisins. 6 black raisins are enough for a normal people. You can reduce it to 3 or 4 depending upon your condition. And now I will talk about, can black raisins be eaten by people who are having diabetes? Yes, black raisins can be eaten by people who are having diabetes. But one thing you need to do is that after eating black raisins, have almonds and walnuts. What this combination does is that it doesn't let the blood sugar level to spike in your blood. Black raisins do contain natural sugar, because of which there may be a spike in blood. But eating almonds and walnuts along with black raisins will not give you a spike in blood sugar level. And still I would like to say that diabetic people should check their blood sugar level after eating this. If still there is a rise in blood sugar level, then you need to check on it. You can reduce the quantity to 3 or 4 black raisins, and still if there is a spike in blood sugar level, then you need to check with your doctor and find what is the reason for having that spike. Otherwise, normally eating 3 or 4 black raisins along with walnut and almonds should not lead to a spike in blood sugar level. Similarly, for people who are trying to reduce weight and are not having any added sugar in their diet, but the sugar present in black raisins is in natural form, so we may include it. Plus, including black raisins will help you curb your sugar craving, and the fiber content will make you full for longer, thus making it a good choice for people who are aiming at weight loss also. And if you want to get the maximum benefits of eating black raisins, that is possible by doing just one step, that you soak them up every night in RO water. And the reason for soaking these black raisins is the fact that it increases the antioxidant properties. It also helps in better absorption of the nutrients which are present in black raisins. And now you must be thinking, what can we do with the leftover water? You can drink the leftover water of raisins. So if you are soaking raisins and you are soaking almonds also, you should do it separately, because almond water cannot be consumed and the black raisin water can be consumed. If you want to know why we soak almonds and what are the reasons that we should not consume the almond water, you can watch my video why to soak almonds. I'll put the link in the description box. In that I have talked about the benefit of soaking the almonds. Now lastly I'll talk why black raisins. Normally we people get to see that golden raisin in the market. Why not that golden raisin and why to go for black raisin? Basically, golden raisins are dried form of green grapes, and nutritionally black raisin as well as these golden raisins are same. But still I am saying that you should go for black raisins. There is a reason for it, and the reason for choosing black raisins over green raisins is that the process of drying up the grapes. Basically, black raisins are dried form of black grapes and they are naturally dried up in sun. And basically what the companies do, when they dry up the green grapes to form the golden raisins, they apply a layer of sulfur dioxide on the outer layer of these golden raisins to get that golden color, so that the color is maintained. Otherwise they'll turn very dark in color. So whenever you're choosing raisins for getting the maximum benefits, it is better to go with black raisins rather than the golden raisins. This is a packet of black raisins which I bought from Amazon. You can buy any company. So basically there are a lot of benefits of having this healthy habit. Just set a reminder on your phone every night around 10 pm, 9 pm, wherever your kitchen work winds up, and you soak raisins every night in water and have them empty stomach. After some days, your brain will automatically go in the autopilot mode and you will not need to set the reminder, and you will be enjoying the benefits of these black raisins. I hope you will find the video to be useful. Do let me know in the comment section what all you want to see on my channel. Any health issue that you want me to take, please comment me in the comment section. I'll for sure make a video on that. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. I am aiming at 100 likes for this video. At least give me 100 likes. That gives a lot of motivation to make more such videos. And share the video with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more videos.